Hello friends, welcome once again to an exciting playlist of AWS. So in this playlist, we will cover about all the AWS services, including AI, genai, bedrocks, lambda, SQSS, and SNS. So before starting, let's create a free account with AWS. So one very important thing to notice over here that previously the AWS account was valid for 1 year. Now it is only valid for 6 months, right? And when this has came into effect from July 15th onwards, right? So now you will get $100 credit and $100 additional once you complete some activities provided by AWS. We will see going further how we can earn this $100 additional, right? So let me enter my email. So let me click on verify email address. So I'll receive one email on my email account to enter the password. So let me enter the password over here. I will hide these email IDs from here. Now step 1 is completed successfully. Let's enter the password. So I have entered the password. You can enter the password of your own choice. Let's continue. Now you can see that you have two plans, right? One is free plan and one is paid. So one very important thing to notice over here, right? If you will not upgrade your plan after 6 months, then your account will close automatically. So be aware of that. I'm proceeding with the free plan, right? It will be for personal use. So now I have entered my all the information. Let me click on the agreement. So it is asking me to enable Asia Pacific region Hyderabad, right? So I believe this is the new region which is being introduced by AWS. Previously only Mumbai was there. So let's explore this. Now for the India region, right? So we have two options. One is UPI and one is credit card and debit card. So I'll choose the UPI autopay, right? It will charge some amount, approximately 2 rupees to verify your authenticity, right? So let me enter my UPI ID. I'll definitely hide this. Verify. Now it has redirected me to verify, right? So you can check. It is asking me to verify. Now I received the notification on my UPI app, right, to accept the auto pay. So it has charged me 2 rupees as well to check my authenticity. Soon this page will, authentication is successful. Now let's proceed for the next step. I would say academic, individual, PAN card. Let me upload the PAN. Okay, now it has sent me the verification code on my mobile. So let me verify that. Ooh, congratulations. Now you have created your free account, right? So let's see, you have $100 USD. You can earn 100 more by some means. We'll see in the next video. So now you have successfully created your free account. It is valid for 6 months. So one thing to notice, if you have uploaded your PAN card or the identification document with different name, right? And whatever the name you have provided here, definitely will receive one email, the customer verification failed, right? So we'll see how to resolve this in the next video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.